In this video, we're going to show you how to effectively remove bloodstains from jeans. Bloodstains are protein-based, which means they bind to fabric fibers as they dry, making them harder to remove over time. With the right techniques, you can get your jeans looking clean again. Let's dive into the steps to tackle those stubborn stains. To remove blood from jeans, you'll need cold water, mild soap or detergent, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and a clean cloth or sponge. If the stain is older, you may also need an enzyme-based stain remover. Avoid hot water, as it can set the stain further into the fabric. Start by rinsing the stained area under cold running water. Hold the fabric so the water flows through the back of the stain, pushing it out rather than spreading it further. This step helps loosen and remove as much blood as possible before treating the stain with cleaning agents. After rinsing, apply a small amount of mild soap or detergent directly to the stain. Gently rub the fabric together or use your fingers to work the soap into the stain. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse again with cold water. Repeat this process until the stain begins to lift. For tougher or dried stains, apply hydrogen peroxide directly to the stained area. Hydrogen peroxide works as a natural bleaching agent to break down the blood. Let it fizz and bubble for a minute or two. Then blot the area with a clean cloth. Rinse thoroughly with cold water to remove any residue. If the stain persists, mix baking soda with water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the stain and gently scrub it with a soft bristled brush or your fingers. Allow the paste to sit for 30 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Baking soda helps lift the stain and neutralizes odors. Once the stain is mostly gone, wash the jeans in the washing machine using a cold water cycle and a mild detergent. Check the stained area before drying. If any stain remains, repeat the treatment steps before putting the jeans in the dryer, as heat can set the stain. After the stain is completely gone, air dry your jeans or use a low heat setting in the dryer. Air drying is the safest option, as it prevents potential shrinkage or damage to the fabric. Inspect the jeans once they are dry to ensure the stain has been fully removed. Act quickly when dealing with bloodstains to prevent them from setting. Keep a stain remover pen or wipes handy for emergencies, and always avoid using hot water or high heat until the stain is fully gone. Removing bloodstains from jeans is manageable with the right approach and a little patience. By following these steps, you can restore your jeans and keep them looking great. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical laundry tips and stain removal guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.